In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email capture form in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, you want to log into your ActiveCampaign account. If you don't have an account yet, just head over to the ActiveCampaign website and sign up for a free trial. It's a great way to get started with email marketing. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Forms section, which you can find in the main menu. You'll see an option that says Forms. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Forms section, you'll want to create a new form. Look for a button that says Create a Form. Click that, and you'll be prompted to choose between an inline form or a modal form. An inline form will appear on your website as part of your content, while a modal form is a pop-up that appears over your content. Decide what works best for your needs and select the option you prefer. You'll now be taken to the Form Builder. This is where the fun begins. You'll start by giving your form a name, something like Email Sign Up or whatever's specific to your campaign. This name is just for your own reference, so make it something recognizable. Next, let's start adding fields to your form. The default field is an email address, which is essential, of course. If you need additional information, like first name or last name, you can easily add those fields by dragging and dropping them from the sidebar onto your form. Ensure that the fields you choose are necessary for your goals. You don't want to overwhelm your potential subscribers with too many questions right off the bat. Once you've got your fields where you want them, it's time to customize the look of your form. You can change the design and layout by clicking on the Design tab. Here, you can select colors, fonts, and styles that fit your branding. Create a form that captures attention but also feels cohesive with your overall website design. After you've styled your form, let's focus on what happens after someone submits their information. Navigate to the Options tab in the Form Builder. Here, you can set up a confirmation message that appears after someone submits their email. You could say something like, "Thank you for signing up. We'll be in touch shortly." Alternatively, you can redirect them to a thank you page or a special offer page on your website. Once you've finished all of this, it's time to integrate your form with your email lists. Navigate to the Integrate tab. Make sure to choose the list you want to add your new subscribers to. This step ensures that everyone who fills out your form automatically gets added to your mailing list, making it easy for you to send follow-up emails and newsletters. When you're done with configurations, simply hit the Save button and then Embed to get the code needed to place your form on your website. ActiveCampaign provides a snippet of code that you can easily copy and paste into your website's HTML. That's it. You've successfully created an email capture form in ActiveCampaign. Now, all you need to do is promote it and watch your list grow. Make sure to check back in this channel for more tips on effective email marketing. Remember, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe.